Here's how to check your Instagram Reels watch history. So, Instagram has a new feature that lets you view your Reels watch history. To get started, you need to go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device, log into your account, tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner, then tap on the three lines in the top right to access your settings. From this page, you need to go ahead and tap on your activity option, which is between archive and notifications under how you use Instagram. Now, from this page, you need to scroll all the way down, and there you'll see the section of how you use Instagram. And under this section, there is the option of watch history, which is between time spent and account history. Go ahead and tap on that. And here you can adjust your dates from new to oldest, all dates, all authors, and view your watch history. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.